Hi everyone, this is Mark Ilgen, and I'm here at the homepage of a website called Google Annihilation. Now, like many of you out there, my email inbox has recently been bombarded with emails from affiliates and gurus alike who are promoting this new traffic system called Google Annihilation. It has a really nice sales page, as you can see, and if you scroll down a bit, it has all sorts of claims about millions of visitors and tons of money he's earned, and he's got his house and his cars and that sort of thing. So since I'm really interested in web traffic systems, I decided to have a look and see what exactly the system is. I wanted to look inside Google Annihilation to see really what it's all about and see if it can possibly live up to all this hype. So I took a look inside, and what I found was, quite frankly, pretty disappointing. It turns out that Google Annihilation is nothing more than a very simple three-way or multi-way linking network. Now, that's fine as far as it goes. Don't get me wrong. These linking networks actually do indeed work, but there are other linking networks that have been available for many, many months now, and from what I've seen of Google Annihilation, when compared to those other linking networks, every single one of those other networks is better than what you get with Google Annihilation. So obviously the people pushing this really didn't do any detailed product comparison with what's available out there, or they really would have seen the blatantly obvious shortcomings of Google Annihilation with respect to the other available systems. Unfortunately, I suspect that the people pushing this are really only interested in the affiliate commissions and really not interested in showing you the best system in this class of systems, or they certainly wouldn't have picked Google Annihilation. Turns out there's one competing system in particular, a system that's called Neurolinker, that offers way more capability than Google Annihilation, and actually offers this for less money. In fact, Google Annihilation is really nothing more than a partial implementation of just one of the three traffic building systems that Neurolinker offers. So, what exactly do you get inside Google Annihilation once you join? Well, as I said, Google Annihilation is a three-way or multi-way link network where websites give each other some one-way links. In Google Annihilation, there are about 10 to 15 categories of websites, and you can manually select a category in which to place your website, and by doing this you have some hope, although not that much, of getting somewhat relevant links. But Google Annihilation doesn't do anything more than that to find any relevant link partners, just whatever websites happen to be in the same category. Google Annihilation allows you to specify backlinks to your site using only 3 anchor keyword phrases, so it's pretty limited in that regard. And as far as the system goes, that's really about it. There's not that much else to it. There's no article marketing, there's no social bookmarking, you have no ability to reject any links you don't want, there's no tutorials, no help, no user forum, really not much else. It's just a pretty bare bones sort of system. And the price you pay for that bare bones system is $37 a month, and you can enter up to 30 of your websites. Now let's compare this to what you get in Neurolinker. Neurolinker is also a multi-way link network, but that's really just one of the 3 complete link systems that Neurolinker gives you. The focus inside Neurolinker is on finding relevant websites, as many as possible for your website, and it actually uses some fairly sophisticated algorithms to identify the other websites in the system that are most relevant to yours. Yes, there are also some manual categories. You can place your website in manual categories and get even more links, but really the focus is on trying to get websites to link to you that are as relevant to your site as possible. You can have a virtually infinite number of anchor keywords. It's very easy to do. And as I said, this is just one of 3 complete systems. Neurolinker also offers a complete article marketing system with an article spinner so that you can easily create unique articles, and each of your articles shows up on its own page on other websites in the system, giving you backlinks in context from other websites from a page that's devoted to your article. That has a lot of search engine optimization backlink value for your website. There's also a collaborative social bookmarking system inside Neuralinker where all the members essentially work together to bookmark each other's sites. Now, many people think that this collaborative social bookmarking system by itself is worth the price of Neuralinker. You can actually reject any links that you don't want in the system, so it leaves you as a user in complete control over your backlinks. There are many, many tutorials and a complete help and support system within the Neuralinker site. There's a user forum, so users can get together and share ideas on how to do various things and help each other out. And with all this capability that provides you, it's actually less money than Google Annihilation. It costs $27 a month, and you can put up to 100 of your websites into the system. So really, the difference is really pretty clear here. Neuralinker offers way more capability for less money than Google Annihilation. I don't know how I could make it any more clear than that. So if you want more information, go to the Neuralinker website. Here's the URL. It's exactly what you would expect, neuralinker.com. And seriously, folks, don't just buy stuff because somebody sends you an email and pushes it. Think for yourself. Analyze the differences between competing products, and after you've done a bit of research to see what's best, choose the one that gives you the most value for your money. That's the best way towards success in getting people to come visit your website. So here's the Neuralinker URL, and thanks for watching.